There's a flax egg. We just dump it right in.
What are we making?
Muffins?
So we're making juice pulp muffins.
Yeah.
And first we start with 1 flax egg.
Yep.
That's already been made. And then we have,
We've got 2 cups of juice pulp. This is from pear juice we made before.
Yep, so pear juice pulp.
Yep.
Been sitting in the fridge since yesterday, I think.
Still good, right?
Yep, still good. Yep, nice and pretty. Okay, what else?
Here's 2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Yep. Cool. And then we have 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, sultanas and chopped walnuts. Or you can use any type of nut, and I'm afraid you can use whatever you want.
Next we've got 2 cups of flour. 1 cup of flour.
1 cup of flour.
Don't use 2 cups of flour. That would be bad.
Yeah.
And now because your mixture's really dry, we have some almond milk and oil and other essence.
So for the almond milk and oil, I think it's 1/4 cup each. This recipe is good because you only have to use like 2 measuring cups. Most things are 1/4 cup, and then just the flour's 1 cup. There's almond milk.
Hello.
1/4 cup oil.
We'll just use about yay much vanilla essence.
Yeah, it's like 2 cupfuls because it's just essence. Cheap one. Cool. Oh, preheat the oven.
Oh, also, don't forget to preheat the oven. Yeah, go for 12 degrees.
Oh, like 200?
Cool. Preheat that oven to 200 degrees.
Yeah, so do it.
We've got 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. There's 1. And about yay much.
Yep, 1.5.
Yep. And then just a bit of salt.
Just a pinch or something.
Yeah, not that much.
Cool. Okay.
And now just mix that until all combined.
Now prepare a muffin tin by just, you can use the little patty pans or you can just oil it, which is what we're doing. So this batter makes about 12, I think, so just oil up your muffin tray. Cool. And then you can sprinkle some oats on the top, just so it looks good after it's baked, because the oats will contrast with the baked batter.
So we'll put these in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. At 200 degrees.
Remember to preheat that oven?
Yeah. So just take these out of the oven. We had ours in for 30 minutes. Now we're just going to sit them on the stove to let them cool down.
Yeah.
Cool. Here's the finished product. Most of the inside. Oh yeah, here's the finished product. It's nice and like moist and dense, like a good muffin. Tastes really good. It's like and peary.
Nice and fruity.
Crunchy on the outside and then soft on the inside. And the oats on top are good, but then it has like a crisp shell, I guess you call it. It's nice.